my idea of the golden rule is usually around 20 people. Once you get a business to that stage, what it means is that you can actually step back and have some operations staff employed to do most of the running of the business. And it allows you to stick with the ability to just manage vision and culture and let the team do most of the execution. Now, what are you going to need for that? Well, you're going to need effective task and project management. And my recommendation is, rather than start with a small app and then have to change it later, well, learn how to think how a scalable company thinks and just go with the best in breed from the start. Why would I choose Asana over Monday, Trello, ClickUp, or Airtable for very small creative teams? Asana seems more for large teams. Yeah, that's a great question. And Asana is certainly a very, very powerful application, particularly as a business grows and you have larger and larger teams. I would say if you're a small business and you only have less than 5 people, you could probably get away with using any other kind of app that has a great collaboration feature with the ability to assign tasks to your colleagues. Something like Monday or Trello or ClickUp or Airtable is going to work just fine. Notion is another popular one that a lot of small teams use for a mix between tasks and also a wiki as well. Now, the only challenge with choosing a tool that's not really going to go the distance as you scale is exactly that. As your business grows, you may find that you start to reach the limits of a tool as you become more and more successful. Now, if you are very serious about your business not growing and you plan to keep it small and boutique, that's totally fine to use a different app that would work better for small teams. But for most business owners that I know, they really want to be able to build a business that will one day run without them, or at least give them the ability to have some time freedom. And for a business to give you time freedom, you typically need at least 10 employees. And my idea of the golden rule is usually around 20 people. Once you get a business to that stage, what it means is that you can actually step back and have some operations staff employed to do most of the running of the business. And it allows you to stick with the ability to just manage vision and culture and let the team do most of the execution. Now, what are you going to need for that? Well, you're going to need effective task and project management. And my recommendation is, rather than start with a small app and then have to change it later, well, learn how to think how a scalable company thinks and just go with the best in breed from the start. Now, we are a global partner for Asana, and so we do have a small vested interest in more businesses using Asana. We've put it into at least 500 organizations all over the world, and we're big fans of the app. But I don't make any money if you sign up for the free plan. And the free plan works fine for up to 15 people inside your business. And that's actually one of the reasons why I recommend it to small business owners, because it's easy to get started with. And yes, it's a bit more complex than some of the simpler tools, but it's free and it's really hard to beat free. And it's there ready for you as you grow and scale your business to take advantage of some of the paid features as you need to add more and more. Remember that most software products want to get you hooked by entering your data into them. And especially task management systems make it pretty much impossible to pull out your data in a format that could be imported into any other business tool. And what that means is you end up with half of your business strategy and your business execution stuck in an old system when it comes time for the business to grow up and scale up and move to a new one. And so my recommendation is to always make long-term decisions with your technology. Think, what will I need in 5 years? What might I need in 10 years? And get ready to invest in setting up great systems now that will help you as the business grows and scales.
If you like this content, please hit subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when we go live or drop new content on the channel. Now, if you'd like to connect with us, hit us up on social media or join our free community group. All the links to that are right below this video. If you'd like to learn more about Google Workspace and the technology ecosystem, you can join our free Genius Academy by transferring your billing across to itGenius. Or you can join a Workspace Basics Bootcamp. Now, if you're a business owner and you're interested in an audit on your technology stack or your Workspace account, or you're looking to do a project in the tech world, well, you can take advantage of our free consultation. And if you need help right now, then consider joining Concierge or taking up a quick fix with our team for professional support for your tech stack.